Ito na ang pinakahihintay ko na vacation in Boracay, together with my family and my husband's family in the Philippines. 21 people kami all together, kaya sure na napakasaya nito. Cebu Pacific ang aming airline at naging A-OK naman ang aming flight from Manila to Boracay. From the gate, sumakay muna kami ng bus patungo sa aming eroplano. And then, everyone easily proceeded to their seats. Behave kaming lahat!
Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific. Make first moments happen.
Everyone is seated. We're leaving for Katiklan Airport in Aklan, which is just a few minutes away from Boracay.
Ganda ng weather sa oras ng aming biyahe. Kitang-kita ang magagandang islands below. About 1 hour lamang ang flying time. Kaya't nandun pa ang excitement. Tapos, lalanding na pala kaagad. Nasa Katiklan or Boracay Airport na kami agad. At sinalubong na kami ng staff ng Henan Crystal Sands. Ito ang the best among the 7 properties ng Henan sa Boracay. Let us see nga kung talagang the best ang service nila and facilities. The more I get excited. Dalawang puno kami sa van kasi nga 21 people kami. And from here, we were brought to the welcome center of Henan. Malapit lang naman ang biyahe. It took us just about 5 minutes, saglit lang. Mula rito sa welcome center, kami ay tumigil saglit. Unang-una, to clear all the expenses, yung mga environmental fees, yung mga terminal fees, na nabayaran na namin previously sa aming travel agent. Nakapagpahinga rin kami ng saglit dito. At kasunod na ay ang mas exciting na parte ng aming trip.
We're going to the boat of Henan. Okay, this is the boat of Henan. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Ito na mama.
How many minutes?
6 minutes po.
Oh, napakatagal. Grabe, 6 minutes.
6 minutes ma'am, going
To
to
the
the
island.
other port. Yeah, to the island.
Ay, hindi pa yun ang hotel?
Hindi pa po yung hotel ma'am.
Ay, hindi pa.
Yeah, port to port po tayo ngayon ma'am. And then another 15 to 20 minutes drive going to your hotel ma'am.
Ah, may drive pa.
Yes po.
Say hi to my guys. Thank you. Count.
Ma'am sir, please double check na lang po yung baggage.
Okay.
Okay na?
Ang galing ni Captain, oh. Say thank you to Captain Anton. Thank you, Captain. Very nice. 5 minutes.
Pero ang ganda.
Ang bilis. Kasi speedboat eh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Check na lang yung mga bagay na ma'am. Tulungan na lang kayo mga...
Hello, Boracay. Hello. Steps natin dito. Yeah.
Thank you. Salamat po.
Here we are. See the sand. That's the sand. That's the sand. That's the sand. These are from corals.
Sa dako roon naman ay ang port for the general public. At ngayong narito na kami sa Boracay Island, kailangan na lang namin ay about 15 to 20 minutes na drive upang makarating kami sa aming hotel, ang Henan Crystal Sands.
Say present if you are here. Present, 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 present. Oh, wala na akong uupuan.
Dito tayo ma'am, kabilang bag.
Bye-bye! Oh, kailan sakay na natin to? One was from the airport to the center. From the center, Bangka. And this is the third one. So, they say it's about 20 minutes drive. About 20 minutes drive from the, what do you call that? The Boracay port? The Boracay port going to the hotel. See you, see you. See you. See you. See you. See you there. See you there, Mom. Hola! Hello, we're here at Henan Crystal Sands Resort in Boracay. Alcohol station. Hello.
We were greeted by this polite staff. Average size lang ang lobby ng hotel, pero malinis naman at very welcoming ang atmosphere. My daughters Nympha and Carmela are in charge of the bookings and other arrangement. By this time, required pa ang masking at ang proof of vaccination. At habang abala sila sa mga checking in na process na yan, heto naman ako exploring the place.
Ito na ako sa loob ng Henan Crystals. Oh my God, look at the fish. They're so big. Look at that. Oh. So dito, ito yung main entrance. This is the pool. This is the pool of Henan Crystals. I wanna be there. We're here at the third floor. This is our room assignment. I will go there later. Okay, this is my room assignment for me and Papa. Room 302. Let's see the environment here. It's so quiet. This building looks like new. And then here we go inside. Then, as you enter, there are two umbrellas. There's the safe. There's plastic bags of Henan for your laundry. Some bench. And then, okay, these are my hats. You have a big TV here on the wall. I like the mirror. They have lots of mirror here. I like it. There. Hello. Hello, me. It's me. So this room is good for 3 people. A queen bed. And then there's one single but quite big too. So 3 people. May orasan siya, may telepono, may lampshade. A nice room. Ganda mo ng mga lighting nila, oh. And the air condition is, this is the fridge. This is the mini fridge. At masi, baka may libreng chocolate. Buksan natin. Meron bang libreng chocolate? Wala. Walang laman ng fridge. Ayan. Okay, here. Coffee and tea. I like tea. Coffee and tea. And then mayroong initan ng tubig. Ito yung ating closet para sa mga damit. Ayan, oh. And then this is the bathroom. Ganda rin yung bathroom nila. That's the toilet. And then the sink. Ayan ang kanilang mga toiletries. Meron silang toothbrush, shaving kit, shower cup, and then cotton buds. At ano to? Moisturizing lotion. There's the soap. Nasaan ang shampoo? Doon. So, ang mga shampoo nila and conditioner ay mayroong dispenser. Yan. Nauso ngayon sa mga hotel, hindi mo na pwedeng iuwi ang mga shampoo. I like the bathroom. Okay, so yan po ang ating room dito sa Henan. Ganda siya at malinis. Nice size, okay lang for 2 people. So, umuulan ngayon sa labas, which is quite a blessing kasi the whole time we're traveling, it's so hot and really sunny. But now, umuulan na, di ba? Nung makarating kami dito sa aming hotel. And the service of Henan crew is very good. Outstanding, actually. Napaka-bibilis nila at mababait pa. Later on, we're going to the restaurant because I think they have free drinks for new guests like us. So, pasyal tayo doon. Tapos, we are going swimming, explore the place, and then swim, and do the most that we can here in Boracay.